Do you want to learn how to install this open source software called 7-Zip in Windows 11? Make sure you watch this entire video because I have a reason why you should have this program. Before we begin this tutorial video, we need to talk about why we need to install a third-party application like 7-Zip. 7-Zip is a third-party and open source application that allows you to compress and decompress files. Windows 11 by default only has one compression algorithm, or you might know it as the .zip file extension. By installing 7-Zip, you are allowing Windows 11 to have more compression algorithm options. For example, you can open up the file extension 7z or .rar file extensions. There are many different file formats and compression algorithms out there, but Windows 11 by default cannot open these files natively. And this is why you need a third-party software which is open source and free like 7-Zip. To get 7-Zip and download 7-Zip, open up Google and type in 7-zip. You will find a website called 7zip.org. Then click on it and you'll go to the 7-Zip website and you have an option to download the 32-bit or the 64-bit for Windows. I have already downloaded 7-Zip and it will be on my desktop. So what you need to do is double click the install file. Next it will ask you a destination folder to install. Once it's done that, click close. To make sure that 7-Zip is installed successfully, click on Start, type in 7-Zip in search. You will see in the search results 7-Zip File Manager. Single click on this. Now that you have 7-Zip installed successfully, you can now compress and uncompress files that Windows 11 cannot do natively. To summarize this video, I have shown you how easy it is to install a third-party and open source software called 7-Zip onto Windows 11, but also gave you a reason why you need such program on your Windows 11 operating system. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to us. You can help us out by becoming a Patreon or buying stuff from our shop. Otherwise, you can like, share, comment and watch more of our videos. Until the next video, see you later.